Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find wallet address on Linen Wallet. To find your Linen Wallet address to one of the cryptocurrencies in it, the first thing to do is to open the Linen Wallet app. Enter your Linen Wallet account's passcode to sign in, and you will be logged into your main homepage. From the main dashboard, go ahead and select the cryptocurrencies that is available on the screen that you want to find the wallet address for. Tap on any one cryptocurrencies on the wallet page, and once you select the cryptocurrency, you will be able to see this interface. Tap on the Receive button at the bottom. On the next page, from the Receive option, select how you'd like to receive the cryptocurrency that you've selected. It can be from an exchange or from a personal crypto wallet. Make your selection, and on the next page, select a token and click on Deposit button at the bottom. Now you will be able to see your wallet address for the chosen cryptocurrency along with the QR code. Anyone can scan the QR code to send you funds immediately, or you can also copy and share the wallet address by tapping on the share or the copy button at the bottom and share it to one of your friends or anyone that you want to receive cryptocurrencies from. So that is how you will be able to find your wallet address for a particular cryptocurrency on Linen. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks.